Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Finviz for crypto. While Finviz is primarily designed for traditional stock market analysis, it offers valuable insights that can indirectly inform your cryptocurrency investment decisions. We'll look at how to leverage its features to understand broader market sentiment and identify trends that often correlate with the crypto space, helping you make more informed choices. Finviz provides an excellent overview of the broader financial markets. By examining the performance of major indices like the S&P 500 or the Nasdaq, you can gauge general market sentiment. A strong stock market often indicates a higher appetite for risk, which can positively influence cryptocurrency prices. Conversely, a downturn might suggest caution. You can use Finviz to track traditional assets that often correlate with cryptocurrencies. For example, monitoring companies like MicroStrategy, which holds substantial Bitcoin, can offer indirect insights. Additionally, observing the performance of growth-oriented tech stocks or even safe haven assets like gold can provide clues about investor behavior and potential shifts in the crypto market. Finviz offers a comprehensive news section and economic calendar, keeping an eye on global economic news, such as inflation reports, interest rate decisions, or significant geopolitical events, is crucial. These macroeconomic factors heavily influence investor sentiment across all asset classes, including cryptocurrencies. Understanding these broader trends can help you anticipate market movements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.